Hey everyone, my name is Jasmine if you're new, and today's video is going to be some tips and tricks that I learned along the way of watching some YouTubers here. The two YouTubers that I will be featuring their tips and tricks in this video are RawbeautyKristi and Desi Perkins. I will be linking their channels down below. If you don't know who they are, you should check them out. They are some women that I look up to. RawbeautyKristi is just hilarious, and so is Desi Perkins. They also have a lot of knowledge. They're probably like my top 5. RawbeautyKristi is probably my favorite. I love Desi Perkins too, and they always give like the best tips, and then I'm like, I wonder if that would look good on me. When I watch these videos about makeup on YouTube, I'm trying to find new tips and tricks on how I can do my makeup. I wanted to share those tips and tricks with you guys because these are tips and tricks that I don't even showcase on my channel. So it's nice that we're able to be a community here on YouTube, to teach each other, to learn from each other too. If you guys have tips and tricks, I would love to do a tips and tricks on what my friends here on YouTube, like you guys, what you guys recommend. I would love to hear back from you guys. So comment down below some tips and tricks that maybe you guys haven't seen in my videos that you guys want me to try out on this video, and I would love to do that. This is a new series I'm doing on my channel. I just want to have fun with makeup. I also want to learn along the way, and I honestly have learned most of my tips and tricks from YouTubers, so I am a loyal YouTube watcher. If you know anything about me, or if you know me, you know that I've been watching makeup videos on YouTube for years and years and years. I figured these are tips and tricks that these people and these artists are sharing with us, so why not try them out? In case you were ever wondering, I'll be your guinea pig. Thank you to RawbeautyKristi and Desi Perkins for always sharing these tips and tricks with us. So let's get on to the video. So let's prime, and I'm using the NYX, and this is the pore filler. I will be using what RawbeautyKristi recommends, and it is the L'Oreal 24-Hour Infallible Pro Glow, and I'm in the shade 205, which is natural beige. Actually, before I apply the foundation, I'm actually going to use the NYX Liquid Illuminator. This is a suggestion and a recommendation by Desi Perkins. She applies the MAC Strobe Cream, but I don't have that, and this is more affordable, so I'm gonna apply it to my hand first, and then I'm going to use my fingers to blend it out onto my skin. I'm gonna apply it to the high points like Desi Perkins recommends. Now with the Pro Glow, and blend with the e.l.f. Flawless Foundation Brush. I'm going to do my brows. Desi recommends to apply lashes to a look like this because it looks like you tried, but you didn't. So that's what I'm doing today. I'm going to actually skip to curling my lashes, applying mascara, and applying lashes, and I'll be right back to finish off the face. While the lashes dry, I'm going to apply some blush, and I'm using the e.l.f. Blush Quad, and this is in light, this one and this one, so it's not too pink. And Desi says blush, no bronzer. Blend that out with the powder brush by e.l.f. I'll be using the blush brush by e.l.f. and the highlighter by Dose of Colors and Desi X Katie in Fuego. Go over it with the powder brush with nothing on, just to make sure it's all blended. I'm going to set my face with the Stay Matte Fix and Go Primer Spray by Rimmel. Desi also recommends that you tight line so that the lashes are blended in with your natural lashes, and to bring in the black liner just a little bit to bridge the gap there. At this point, I'm going to use the Real Techniques Target Blending Brush to blend out any creases under my eyes that have settled down there, because we are not setting the under eyes. Applying Fuego to the inner corner and the brow bone. Now, Kristi says that this is going to stay, so we're gonna try it. I'm going to apply some mascara to my lower lashes, and we are done. Now, to make it look like we tried with the lips, I'm going to apply the NYX lip liner in natural. I'm going to outline my lips, and what Desi recommends is to overline in the middle, and RawbeautyKristi does this too, and then just bring it back towards your natural lip. If you guys want a full video on how to overline your lips, let me know. I'm actually gonna dab on some Quickie by ColourPop and Makeup by Shayla just in the center. And that's the completed look. I hope you guys enjoyed it. It's pretty laid back, easy. I will check back in with you guys, let you know what my face is looking like and if my face survives. So pray for me, and I'll see you guys in a little bit. Bye.
5 hours later.
So I'm here at my mom's after a long day, and everything's looking good except for the mascara. I don't know if you can see that, but the mascara is definitely rubbing off because I didn't set my under eyes. But I think that if I had like a waterproof mascara or something else, it probably would have looked a little bit better. I don't mind the way it's looking. It's looking dewy, it's looking fresh. Looks like I don't have that much on, so I don't mind it. And I've had this makeup on for about 5 hours now. Hey everyone, so it's my last check-in. It is actually midnight right now, and I am getting ready to take this all off. So honestly, I think that it wore beautifully. I don't feel like it's caked on here. My makeup looks like it's my own skin. It doesn't feel heavy on my skin either. The only issue I have with not using powder is my under eyes. Because my mascara was running right here, this type of stuff happens. And this is actually from my mascara, and there's some black right there. Also did the same thing here. My pores look good. I do have some oils peeking through, but that is because of the Pro Glow by L'Oreal. That's the foundation that we used. I think that my face looks really good and I don't mind it. I'm actually gonna try this look out tomorrow. I'm going to do pretty much the same thing, but maybe jazz it up a little bit, maybe change a few things. By the way too, this lipstick by ColourPop and makeup by Shayla, it's called Quickie. Do not sleep on this. It is so beautiful. It's the following day, and I did think about a few things I want to make adjustments to. The first thing is the foundation. I don't want to apply the Pro Glow all over my face because I did get a little bit oily in my T-zone, so I'm going to try a matte today in my T-zone.
I have no powder on my face whatsoever as far as setting powder goes, just because right now I'm trying to be a dewy.
I actually want to try the illuminator on top of the foundation. Yesterday I tried it out under the foundation, so I'm going to apply a little bit of this to the highest points of my face. Today I'm going to use my brow pencil just to go through my brows very quickly. And just for shits and giggles, I'm going to apply the Cindy Luminizer by The Balm on the cheeks as a topper, just to be a little bit extra glowy today. I'm gonna try out the Rimmel London, the Scandal Eyes Waterproof, and this is in brown.
Now this is just gonna give your eye like a little bit of definition, but it's not too crazy, okay?
I'm doing the Desi trick. While the lash glue is still a little bit tacky, just fluff them up like on the edges or wherever they need to be fluffed up. Like that. I'll be applying the Rich Red by Italia, Cherry Pop by Clinique, and Mogul by AOA Studio. This is from Shop Miss A. I will link my haul and review up here in the cards. I will be checking in to let you guys know the way my face is looking. So far, love the brown liner on the lash line. It definitely blends the lashes in with your natural lashes a bit more. The lash was coming up a little bit, so just squeeze them together like that. So I will see you guys in a couple hours. First check-in, it's about 6 hours after I've applied this makeup. It's looking pretty good. Of course the lipstick wore off because I ate and drank, but I like it. I think it's good that I applied the matte foundation in my T-zone. And I have been wearing my glasses. It is definitely transferring onto my glasses, but that's just with every makeup application. But we'll see how it looks at the end of the day. I'll check back in with you guys in a little bit. The other thing I noticed is my mascara is still transferring like it did yesterday. Might be time to try out a new mascara, maybe waterproof. But I am shiny in some areas. Look at my nose. Not crazy about this area being shiny in my nose. Like, look. I've lost some coverage right there, probably from like wiping off my nose after eating. It looks fresh though. It doesn't look nasty. Yeah. And I got a lot of compliments today on my makeup, so I guess something's looking good.
One eternity later.
Final verdict, I really like the way that my skin looks and the way that my makeup looks without the caked on powder in this area. You could still see my texture, but I would rather it look like this than the caked on powder. I'm gonna need to find a mascara that's gonna work with this. My lashes are about ready to come off. Overall, I love the natural-ish look. I like not being cakey. I like the subtle highlight and the dewiness. All right, everyone, that concludes this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, please share it with your family and friends and give it a thumbs up because that really does help me out. If you're not subscribed, hit the red button down below. It is free, so make sure you hit that red button. And if you want to be notified of all my upcoming videos, also hit that gray bell that's right next to the subscribe button. And let me know your tips and tricks so that I can showcase them in my next video. I will be doing some shout outs in future videos. I do want to give shout outs to the people who are supporting me, who are sharing my videos, who are commenting down below. I will see you guys in my next video, and thank you so much for watching. Can you believe I forgot to put earrings on? I had to take a break from putting the lashes on to put on the earrings. Look at that. I'm going to... I want to brighten the... No, I don't. Scandalized eyes. Wait, no. And that's how you make it look like you got injections, but you didn't. I know. Is my beanie crooked the whole time? So my hair's a mess, but I think that this ended up working out. What do you guys think? I have some decent coverage and messy hair. And if you can hear my stomach growling, I'm really sorry.